Alam mo, naisip ko ngayon lang, what if gamitin ko yung tactic ng mga haters ko para mag-create ng content on how to get clients? Medyo unique na. How do you get clients with no experience? Simple. You flip the script. Step number 1, you use your past life. Whether it's a school or sa BPO or sa corporate, list down your skills. Example, if you've managed teams before or nag-handle ka ng Excel, that is already admin support. Tapos dagdagan mo ng konti yung kwento, medyo magpaka-OA ka na. Step number 2, mag-DM ka sa iba't ibang tao. Offer free value first. Message small businesses. Say, hi, I noticed that your Facebook page has this, and this, and I can fix that. Or, can I fix your bio for free? Kasi that alone is already a sample work and you are working with real client. But then again, ituturo ko rin sa inyo kung ano naman yung ginawa ko sa mga hater ko. Collect proof fast. Screenshot result. Even the tiniest bit of details, i-screenshot nyo yan. As Pinoys, we love receipts. And keep in mind that action speaks louder than words. Save this, tag your best. Pumunta sa Blue, mag-comment ng #clientready para makakuha kayo ng free checklist na guide para maging ready na kayo sa next client nyo. Also, comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. I'll see you sa next video. Bye!